there was a turn. Oh, you know what? There was one place I wanted to go up here. One place I want to go up here. It's a little different today. I don't think I passed it yet. Let me see. I think it's back there. Yeah. There's a cool little roundy street section back there. And I want to go. I should probably turn around in a better spot. This ain't smart. You do no U-turn right here. And then it is big ass street as a newbie rider. So. I did it though. Alright. You gotta check out something different, y'all. I like the way these streets are made down here. I don't think there's very much traffic. If I lived down here, I'd probably enjoy my motorcycle more often. I'd go in all kinds of circles. Ooh, slippy leaves. Yeah. I didn't come out here to drive like an idiot. I just came out here for the experience. Slippy leaves. If you're going this slow, I think it's okay to go through the leaves. The only time I slipped in leaves so far was yesterday coming out of my driveway. U-turn that big ass Harley, man. He was like, told me he just got it. How long ago? He had like 900 miles on it. I was like, maybe he said 9,000. I don't know. But that was a big ass bike. And he didn't have a helmet on. He just had a hat on, turned backwards. Snap back. Back going backwards. He said, yeah man, I'm on the highway all the time. And it blows off when I'm going down 20 miles per hour. It don't never blow off on the highway, it blows off when I'm going 20 miles per hour. Ooh! Happy Halloween, y'all. Roundabouts. People who, oh, there's an apartment over here. People who live over here probably don't like motorcycles as much. People who like motorcycles like riding over here. But that was fun. And I've gone around the whole thing. I think let's go one more time. We're probably out of GoPro. We're probably out of battery. We're gonna ride it till it. Let's see, I went down there. Yeah, I went around the whole thing. Let's get out of here. So we're not gonna do anything major, like go down any major streets today. But I did wanna bring the Hawk out. Is there anything else I want to mention about the Hawk? Let's talk about quality. It is a Korean bike, not a Chinese bike, for the information. And as far as quality, let me go say right. talking about the Hulk. Some people who are experienced bikers, they've had all kinds of bikes. And they're comparing it to what they're used to from all over the years. For me, I'm looking at it from a different perspective. Down, y'all. Don't want to be messing around. I'm looking at it from the perspective of a newbie rider, somebody who may have rode nothing else before. You know, I'm totally impressed with it. I think everything's all good. With the Hulk. I will take another one. Now, I mean, even though it's like less than $2,000, you still should wear gear. So you're still gonna have to spend money on a helmet, some gloves, a jacket, maybe some motorcycle pants, some knee pads or whatever, some boots. Whatever is necessary to keep yourself safe, you know what I mean? So you might end up spending another $500, $1,000, $2,000 on equipment. So you're gonna end up buying that. You're gonna end up spending $4 grand anyway. And you're like, man, I could have. After you ride the Hulk for a while, you can be like, oh man, I spent all this money on all this upgrades and all these gear. I already spent $5 grand. When I look at my account, I've already spent $5 grand. But if you spend that $5 grand on a bike, are you gonna have enough money left over to buy your gear? You know, how's that gonna affect your budget? You got $5,000 just to throw out right now, rather than just throw out a couple thousand and add on little pieces here and there. Either way, I recommend before you even get your bike, you get a helmet. That's the most important thing. Protecting your skull and your brain, yo. Did I open up high enough? Oh, I see the police over there. Probably now's not a good time to be going through the public park on my motorcycle. Trying to flat foot it. See, you can flat foot it, you can back it up. On this, try backing up, tippy toeing. Try backing up, tippy toeing, yo. It's not that easy. Oh yeah, that chef was over there earlier. Looking at some kind of construction. Alright y'all, we only got a few minutes left in the GoPro. I know there's no construction down that way. So rather than go that way, we're going to go, let's see, this way. Baby. think I'm gonna start wearing some earplugs anyway. I wore them a few times, and I didn't really notice. And they're a little bit achy in the ear sometimes when you stuff them in there. But you know, protect those ears. I think it actually helped me because I'm not a loud talker, and not be able to hear myself caused me to talk even louder. It's probably good for the video. Alright, this is it, y'all. About to take her in for today. It's been fun. Maybe I can think of something else I like about the Hawk. Yeah. Hey, yeah, that was fun, y'all. Hawk 250, baby. What else do I like about the Hawk? Like I said, everything. It's easy. If something does happen, I'm not gonna cry. You know, you ride it for 1 year, you get your money's worth. But this baby, it's gonna get roding all year if I can help it. Anyway, I'm just rambling today, y'all. Thanks for watching.